I'm Heidi, and today I want to give you an activity you can do to work with diversity. So the first thing I do is I come in with my big, huge bag and I throw it on the floor because that always makes things really exciting. Then I give each student a crayon, one crayon in different colors and a small piece of paper. And I ask them, can you draw a picture using only that color? And if they need help, what is something that is green? What is something that is blue? Then I ask them, when they're done, to go and put all of their pictures up on the wall. And what we see is we have a lot of different images, but it isn't very interesting as a whole because everything is sort of independent. Then I ask them, what would happen if we took all the colors and mixed them together? Would that make a more interesting picture? Then I ask them what color they colored with, and I have my huge big bag, and in my bag I have a plastic bag full of different things in that color, and these are just scraps of fabric and such. So if you had a green crayon, you get a green piece of fabric. If you had a purple crayon, you get a purple piece of fabric. So after that, everyone has their different colors. And then we make a little play. And I have a couple assistants here to help me. So Stephen and Kim, would you like to come on in? So Stephen is brown and Kim is orange. Hello. And depending on how old your students are, you can adapt this to the how complicated the language will be. We're going to do this quite simply. So you're going to say, hi orange, and you're going to say, hi brown, and you can meet each other in different ways. So maybe you come in and you shake each other's hands. Can you try that?
Okay. Hi brown.
Hi orange.
Or maybe you come in and you dance around each other.
Hi orange.
In a circle, yeah.
Hi orange.
And then the first, so there you've got groups of students together, and when they come in, then I have the first group sit in the middle together. Okay, so you imagine that the brown group and the orange group is sitting in the middle. Now, here's our next group. We've got a green and a purple. And I always make sure to start with the colors of people's skin at the beginning, because later on, they're not going to like each other, and we don't want that to be colors that are people. Now, Stephen and Kim have gone out, and you have to imagine that they're new people with new colors. So they're going to come in, and they're going to pretend like the brown and the orange are sitting on the floor. And we're going to have green come in first and say, hi brown, hi orange.
Hi brown, hi orange.
And they look back and they say, hi green, we like green. Okay, so then you have another color that comes in, and this time the brown and the orange don't like that color, but the green likes that color. And then your last group of people that come in are a color that are not people's skin, and here we have purple. So purple, you're going to come in and you say, hi brown, hi yellow, hi orange, and they say, we don't like purple, and they turn their backs. And they do that with all the colors. And then when you come to green, can you say, hi green?
Hi green.
Turn your back to purple. You don't like purple.
I don't like purple.
And poor purple, can you look really sad in the camera? Look right in the camera as this your saddest face ever. Nobody likes me. Can you say that? Nobody likes me. Nobody likes purple.
Nobody likes purple.
Then you have one student who has the rainbow color, and they're the artists. Stephen, can you hand me the rainbow, the palette, and the paintbrush? And the artist says, purple, it's okay. I have an idea. And then the artist takes all the different colors and places them. Maybe the green can be the grass, and the artist says, okay, you be grass.
Okay.
And the blue can be the sky, and the yellow can be the sun, and then the last one you place is the one who nobody liked. And you say, and purple, you're going to be a really pretty flower, and you're going to sit right there.
Yeah.
And then the artist stands back and looks at his or her work and says, isn't it beautiful when all the colors work together? And everyone cheers, yay!
Yay!
And then all the colors start saying, green says to purple, I like purple.
I like purple.
And purple says to green, I like green.
I like green.
And you go around and everybody likes each other. And it's a really subtle way to talk about how we are all individual, but how we are part of a bigger picture. So you can take that with you, And we have a book called The Crayon Box That Talked, which is that story, and we'll read that story for you a little bit later on. Thanks for joining us, and try this out with your students.